In a dim lit room where the shadows dance, a plasterer waits, tools in hand, not by chance. With a trowel glinting like a silver star, he bends to the wall and his passions spar. YouTube unfolds like a dream, pixels and plasters in a vibrant world. He mixes the grit with a sprinkle of soul, each stroke a whisper, each finish a goal. Video frames capture the dust in the air, the rhythm of labour, the artistry so rare. With each swift movement he moulds and he carves, transforming the mud to walls like ice. He shares every secret, each technique he hones. A community grows from brick to the bones. In hand with his viewers, they journey through walls, from rough to the smooth. He answers their calls. But beyond the plaster, the beauty revealed is a heart intertwined, a gift unsealed, for art carries forth like a flowing stream. In every creation he lives out his dream. So here's to the plasterer, humble yet proud. In the world of the digital, he stands out aloud, with a trowel as a wand, crafting joy from the stone. In the realm of the internet, he's never alone.